What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas day 3.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Okay, hopefully it's focusing. So first thing I'm gonna do for this recipe is also put on a glove, simply because I don't want to get my hands dirty. So that's that. I'm struggling over here. Action. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this bowl and I'm gonna take the cake and pretty much crumble it into this bowl so that we can get our cake crumbs. And this is just regular like pound cake. So you just want to crumble that into the bowl. You want to kind of break it down. You don't want a lot of lumps. You want to kind of get it just as fine as possible. I've been craving cake pops because I used to always get them from Starbucks, but I haven't gotten them recently. And so when I was thinking of what I could do, or not really what I could do, what I could make, because I knew I wanted to make something, I was just like, why not do cake pops and just make it like a Christmas theme? I'm making a mess. Okay, so I'm just gonna do half of this because essentially I'm one person. I won't be eating 36, which is what the recipe counts for. I won't be eating 36 cake pops. So I'm gonna do half and I'll just leave the other half for, I don't know, something in the future. And I'm just gonna break this down and I'm gonna walk over there and show you guys what it looks like broken down before we move to the next step. Just breaking it down, down. Trying to take out all of the lumps, like I said. Cool. So I'm gonna take the gloves off because that was actually the only messy part for this particular recipe. So gloves are off and then I'll be over to show you guys what it looks like. So hopefully you guys can see, these are the crumbs. They're broken all the way down. Very, very fine pieces. Okay, so next step is to stir in the frosting. So I'm gonna wash this off real quick. This bowl was mine, so I previously washed it out already. This I got from Target, so it doesn't belong to me, or I don't know how many hands have touched it, I guess will be the better term. So I'm gonna wash this off really quick. Before I put my frosting in here, I'm actually gonna stir my frosting. So I will show you guys that.
Some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be.
All right, so my spatula. This is a spatula. I don't know. I think it is a spatula. Y'all, I was right. It's all clean. Next, I'm just gonna stir this frosting up before I put it in here. And again, like I said, you can use any frosting that you want to use. I like cream cheese. I know a lot of people will probably like, ew, that's disgusting. And that's fine. You can use the frosting that you want to use. They have all types of frosting. And honestly, you can also use the cake mix. Of course, you have to bake the cake, but it's still an option for you. I didn't want to bake a cake just to crumble it up. I'm gonna put it in here, so I'm just gonna do half of the frosting, so there's like more in there for right now, just so I can kind of fill the texture out a little bit. And then I'm going to take my spatula and kind of go in, stirring it up. And then I'll determine if I need to add more. Spatula's probably not a good thing to use now that I'm doing it. Might need to use a spoon, but since we're already like halfway done, I'm just gonna rock with a spatula. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit more because right now it's like that really thick texture. You know how like when you're making something and you don't have enough water or whatever it is that is liquefied? So this is what it looks like, if you guys can see. If not, I'll bring it over, but it needs a little bit more frosting. So I'm gonna stir up some more frosting again before I add it. And I don't think I'm gonna add too much because the consistency is not what I need it to be, but it is close to it. So that's that. Just gonna stir it up some more. Yeah, this is better. Yep, this is much better. And you just want to make sure everything is proportioned through, so you don't want to have frosting sitting at the top or on the side. You want to make sure it gets all the way through the cake mix. Okay, so I think this is good enough for us to make the balls out of. So I'm gonna come show you guys. So this is what it looks like. I know you probably can't tell from the consistency, you know, via camera. So this is just what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more gloves on because I forgot that you do have to roll the balls and put them on the pan. So I'm just gonna grab some more gloves so that we can get this next step out of the way. Be back. I'm back. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right there. I'm gonna put these old gloves over here in the trash can. And then so this might be too big. But you don't want small ones. So you just want to roll it into like a ball and then put it on the pan. So I think I'm gonna make, I'll do 6 because they're coming out pretty big, kind of. So I'll do 6. So these are my, hopefully you guys can see, they're kind of moving all over the place. These are my 6 cake pop balls, and I'm gonna just put them in the freezer. I'm gonna try this out. I'm really hesitant because it says skinny, and skinny usually means like they've taken something out of it to make it like less sweet, less fattening, and I'm pretty sure that means the taste will be different. I'll try a little bit and then see where it goes from there. Okay, so this is actually good. So we'll drink this. We'll pour us some. Cool. I might have spoke too soon. You know that aftertaste? Yeah. All right, so our kitchen timer just went off. We're gonna grab the cake bites. And again, we don't want them frozen. We just want them kind of firm, which they are firm. They're not like that gooey texture anymore. Next, we're gonna come over here, and I've kind of organized everything for you guys to see. I'm gonna place the candy melts in the microwave for 30 seconds each, and then I'll be back. Cool, so the red one's done, the white one's done. I'm just gonna move these out. Kept them right here so you guys can know the name. They're candy melts. I actually had a really hard time finding these. I ended up going to Party City. So if anyone is trying to make cake pops, Party City has the candy melts. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start with one. This is what my one looks like. And I'm gonna just, I can't do this with 2 hands. So this is one that's done. I'm pretty much just gonna go ahead and coat the rest of them. Okay guys, so these are the finished results of my cake pop. So I'll try one right now on camera, just to show you guys that I'm about that life. You feel me? This is my favorite one. This one's the cutest. Has that gold, you know what I'm saying? A little lopsided, but it's okay. Good to me. I will see you guys in another video on tomorrow. Stay tuned. You dig? Alright, I'm out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down in the description box. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.